highly automated operation, realize fully automatic closed cycle cleaning, improve production efficiency greatly. Thorough and stable cleaning effect, effectively remove residues, dirt and microorganisms inside pipelines, tanks and equipment. Safe and closed system, prevents cross-contamination, protects production safety. Low consumption and energy saving. No disassembly required. Clean equipment on site without dismantling pipelines. Shorten downtime and maintain continuous production. Fully comply with GMP, HACCP, and other industry specifications. Effectively control bacterial growth. Ensure product safety and quality compliance.